Strawberry Jello mix 1 sachet. Add a cup of hot water. Mix well until dissolves. Pour it in a mold and refrigerate until set. Add 500 milliliters milk. Cream caramel 1 sachet. Stir continuously, bring it to boil, and set aside. Lightly brush a bundt pan with butter. Add a layer of prepared jelly cubes. Add 1½ cups of mango chunks. Add few pieces of digestive biscuits. Pour the prepared caramel mixture. Let it cool completely and refrigerate for 1 hour. Strawberry Jello mix to sachets. Add 2 cups of hot water. Mix well and let it cool completely to room temperature. Pour the Jello mix all over and you'll notice that the caramel layer will float over the Jello. Refrigerate again for another 6 hours or overnight to set completely. Once it sets, place your serving tray over the top of the bundt pan, then flip it over. Enjoy!